All right, we're gonna break 4 more boxes of Bowman, three hobby, one jumbo. This is break number 2. All right, guys, good luck. That's Aaron Judge, rookie. Bowman Scouts, Amir Garrett for the Reds. Adam Everett, Blue, 70th anniversary for the Astros. Rookie of the Year favorites, Aaron Judge for the Yankees. We got a silver Gleyber Torres, number to 499 for the Yankees. It's hard to tell the difference between the two. How can you tell? I don't know if there's an easy way to tell or not. This is a silver and this is not. So how do you tell? I'm looking at the card. Rookie of the Year favorites, Gillespie Gurriel for the Astros. We got a Cole Stewart refractor for the Twins, number to 499. I don't know what card that was, but there's like a little gouge in the back of the card. If you can see that. That dice has a little something wrong with it. Talent Pipeline. Don Rosario and Nemo for the Mets. '48 Bowman reprint. Mike Trout for the Angels. '92 Bowman design. Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. Joey Votto, silver, number to 499 for the Reds. '51 Bowman reprint. Austin Meadows for the Pirates. Bowman Scouts, Gavin Lux for the Dodgers. Terry Pendleton, 70th anniversary bronze for the Braves. Jose De Leon, autograph for the Dodgers. So we got a 70th anniversary red Luis Almanzar for the Padres, not numbered. Bowman Scouts, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. for the Blue Jays. Talent Pipeline, Collins, Adams, and Birdie for the White Sox. Rookie of the Year candidates or favorites, Carson Fulmer for the White Sox. '92 Bowman version, Bryce Harper for the Nationals. And box number 1. Alright, here we go. Bowman Scouts. Tyler O'Neill for the Mariners. Oh, that's gold. Number 11 of 50. Gold refractor. Walker Buehler. Purple paper, number 250 for the Dodgers. We got a gold original 5-back. Calvin Pickering for the Orioles. Aaron Judge, Rookie of the Year favorites for the Yankees. Francis Martinez, blue chrome refractor, number 150 for the Astros. Bowman Scouts, Forrest Whitley for the Astros. Rookie of the Year favorites, Yulieski Gurriel for the Astros. '48 Bowman reprint, Phil Rizzuto for the Yankees. '92 Bowman design, Greg Maddux for the Cubs. Talent Pipeline, Robles Baby Bot for the Nationals. Got orange paper, Andy Ibanez, number 13 of 25 for the Rangers. '51 Bowman, Monty Irvin for the Giants. Cal Quantrill, purple chrome refractor, number 250 for the Padres. You guys still with me? Nobody's typed anything in a while. 20 minutes, no typing. Bowman Scouts, Carson Fulmer for the White Sox. Bronze 70th anniversary buyback, Chris Gams for the Giants. Taylor Clark autograph for the Diamondbacks. Thank you, Gary. Talent Pipeline, Low Adams and Feria for the Rays. Rookie of the Year favorites, Carson Fulmer for the White Sox. I think that's the third one. 92, what is this? Bowman Design, Chipper Jones reprint for the Braves. Bowman Scouts, gold, not gold, this regular, looks gold. Tyler Mead for the Giants. That was box number 2. Not sure. I know no autographs. There's only 2 autographs so far. Dodgers and Diamondbacks. Bowman Scouts, Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. Here we got a 70th anniversary, Kevin Newman red for the Pirates. Rookie of the Year favorites, Yohan Moncada for the White Sox. We got a gold original Lance Johnson for the White Sox. Rookie of the Year favorites, Orlando Arcia for the Brewers. Alex Cora, 70th anniversary chrome refractor for the Twins, not numbered. '92 design, Darryl Strawberry for the Dodgers. Talent Pipeline, Garrett, Dean, and Riddle for the Marlins. '48 Bowman reprint, Hank Aaron for the Braves. '51 Bowman reprint, Corey Seager, or originals for the Dodgers. Original reproduction. Got bronze 70th anniversary, Kevin Brown for the Rangers. John Lester, silver, number to 499 for the Cubs. Bowman Scouts, Corey Ray for the Brewers. Justin Maisi, Blue Jays autograph, number to 499, and that's a refractor. Luis Urias, silver, number to 499 for the Padres. Bowman Scouts, Victor Robles for the Nationals. Talent Pipeline, Tavares Ibanez Guzman for the Rangers. Rookie of the Year favorite, Alex Bregman for the Astros. '92 design, Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Alright, on to the jumbo. Chris Bryant, 48, Bowman, reproduction for the Cubs. We got a 92 design, Greg Maddux for the Cubs. Bowman Scouts, Nick Gordon for the Twins. CJ Tenajosa autograph for the Giants. Gold paper, Aldemis Diaz, number 40 of 50 for the Cardinals. Phil Bickford, refractor, number 499 for the Brewers. We got a bronze 70th anniversary buyback, Lyle Overbay for the Blue Jays. Hunter Renfroe, Rookie of the Year favorites for the Padres. We have a blue chrome refractor autograph, Josh Akami, number 150 for the Red Sox. Bowman Scouts, Dansby Swanson for the Braves. Silver original buyback, Fred McGriff for the Padres. Rookie of the Year favorites, Yoan Moncada for the White Sox. Talent Pipeline, Malott O'Hearn and Bonifacio for the Royals. Blue paper, Willie Calhoun, number 150 for the Dodgers. Talent Pipeline, Rafael Devers, Eniel Tavares, Sam Travis for the Red Sox. We got Taylor Ward, Purple Chrome Refractor, number 250 for the Angels. Autograph, TJ Friedel for the Reds. That's a nice looking crinkled card. Bowman Scout, Victor Robles for the Nationals. 92 Chrome design, Orlando Arcia for the Brewers. You saw the checklist, didn't you? Talent Pipeline, Flaherty, Bader, Valera for the Cardinals. Blue Chrome Refractor, Grant Holmes, number to 150 for the Athletics. 51 Bowman Reproduction, Mike Trout for the Angels. Rookie of the Year favorites, Dansby Swanson for the Braves. 92 design, Alex Bregman for the Astros. Bowman Scouts, Corey Ray of the Brewers. 48 Bowman reprint, Sandy Koufax for the Dodgers. And last pack. Jose De Leon, Rookie of the Year favorites for the Dodgers. Purple paper, Ryan Mountcastle, number to 250 for the Orioles. Bronze buyback, Trevor May for the Twins. 2015 card. Let's see, that might be it. Yep, and there you have it. 4-box break of Bowman 2017 break number 2.